Yo guys, hope you guys are good. So yeah man, I know I haven't posted in a long while. I know I haven't posted in a long time. So right now we're here. The reason being I haven't posted in a long time is because I haven't been trading for the past 2 weeks now. Reason being is because I had other commitments to attend to. So I couldn't really trade. I could trade, but then I could have traded, but then I would have been forced to trade. You know what I'm talking about? I wouldn't have put 100% focus into the charts and my forecasting sessions. You know what I'm saying? So I just decided just to take a step back from trading and actually focus on what I was doing. So yeah, man. It's been like 2 weeks now since I haven't traded. Well, the past 2 weeks I haven't traded. This week I went back to the charts, but I didn't really. My main focus wasn't really to go back to the charts like from the get go. My main objective for this week was to like rewatch the Falcon course, just to refresh my mind because I haven't been trading for 2 weeks. So 2 weeks is more than enough to lose certain concepts. You know what I'm saying, to forget certain concepts. So I was like, okay, this week let me just rewatch the course and yeah man, just to refresh my mind. You know what I'm saying. So yeah man, so yesterday and today I saw positions, right? Yesterday I kind of forced the trade, but then more on that later on in the video. So yeah man, welcome to the channel guys. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ballo.trades and I'm documenting my journey to become a successful forex trader. So make sure you follow me guys, you subscribe to the channel, you like the videos, and yeah man, I'll be bringing you guys the best of content. And yeah guys, so sooner or later guys, I'll be doing the challenge of turning $10 into $100. So be tuned to that. And I'd appreciate it guys if you followed my socials. The links will be in the description. And yeah man, let's get into the video. So like the title said guys, I'll be showing you how I made over 3%. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm trading a 100k profit challenge, and I made just over 3k. You know what I'm saying? So I'm still in phase 1, by the way. I haven't reached phase 2 yet. So yeah man, let's get into. I journaled this trade, so I'm just gonna show you the trades for those of you who think I'm lying and stuff. So I journal my trades, and yeah man, these are the 3 trades that I took so far this week. And I used a different approach to journal my trades. So these are the relatively new trades, right? I had other trades. I documented like almost all of my trades that I took this year, but then it's up till recent that I decided to use a different way of journaling. So yeah man, yesterday was the 8th, right, of April. Right now today is the 9th, right? So yesterday I took a position of AUD USD. As you can see, I took a short. It was on Monday. The stop loss in pips was 15.2 pips, and the entry type was a risk entry, and the grade of the trade was high risk, to be honest, because I forced the trade like I said. And highlighted pair, I didn't really trade out of my highlighted pairs. Then the pattern, I don't even remember it. So this gives it a clear understanding that I forced this trade. You know what I'm saying? So the exit date of the trade was actually the same day. The duration was 0 days, and as you can see, the trade looked like this. Yeah man, this was honestly BS. I just took this trade because, as you can see, this momentum candle and the following candle didn't really react from nothing, but I decided to take it anyway. So yeah man, lesson learned. Moving on. Okay. Moving on. As you can see, the result was a negative 7.2 because I manually closed this trade. It wasn't even 1%. As you can see, it was a loss. So the next trade I took was on GBPUSD, which was a long, which was today, Tuesday. The stop loss in pips was actually 9 pips, and it was a risk trade, and it was a low risk, how I like it. And the highlight pairs, this pair comes from nowhere. So yeah man, I just took a high risk trade, not a high risk trade, a low risk trade. Then yeah, so as you can see, the pattern was a double bottom, and the exit date, which is today. Yeah, as you can see here, I entered today, then I exited today, and yeah, the duration was 0 days, since it was the same day trade. As you can see, the trade looked like this, as you can see from start. Then it was a 30% profit. So let's go to the trade right now, just to show you what I was looking at when I was looking at the pair. So let's go to GBPUSD. Where are you? So GBPUSD. So as you can see here, GBPUSD, I was kind of zoomed in on the 4-hour time frame just to focus on this bit of price action right here, right? Hence I was so zoomed in on the 4-hour. So as you can see guys, here we had a point of volume, an area of volume, as you can see. Yeah, so right here we had an area of volume. As you can see, price just stalled a little bit, then went down, rallied down impulsively, right? Okay, so we came back up, but then created this gap right here. Then we went down correctively, right? Then we suddenly broke this brick wall. I'm not going to explain what a brick wall is, but then if you're in Falcon, you'd understand it. Then as you can see, price gravitated towards this area of volume right here. For those of you who know, price is always looking for volume, right? So we had this triggered volume right here, hence we had this sharp move to the downside. It triggered the volume, then went down again, right? So going to the 1-hour time frame, this here was NFP results here. So yeah, this was NFP results. So as you can see, there was another missed trade here. As you can see, price tapped into this area of volume, right, and gave us those wicks at the top, as you can see, then rallied down, then gave us a continuation, as you can see here. But then we missed it because I wasn't really looking at the charts, as I said. So going forward, price rallied down, then NFP came, then price retraced all the way up, right? So there was an impulse move to the upside, then there was a correction, which I also missed because I wasn't watching the trade, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, I was just waiting for price to play around this, above this, I was waiting for price to play around, well, above this area right here. Let me just, above this area right here, right above these highs. Then I could look for continuations, because this was also one of the forecast that I actually looked for. A break, then a continuation to the upside until these highs right here, which ended up happening, right? So as it happened, as you can see here, we had our double top right here. Then let me just move this, because we already established that we are trading above these highs, right? So let me just remove this real quick. So as you can see, this was forming a continuation pattern, right? But then I was looking at it from a different perspective. I was looking at it from an inflection point of things. I was looking at this low, I was looking for price to wick those lows, then up we go. So I entered on the 15 minute. I actually entered on the 15 minutes after this wick right here. After that wick, then after this candle closed above this wick, I entered my positions somewhere up here. Yeah, it was somewhere, let me just check for you guys. It was, yeah, it was here. just above here. Then my stop loss obviously above these lows. Then it tapped me in at around 10:30 the same day. So yeah, man, my TP was, well, I didn't have a TP, but then as price reached this highs right here, I decided to manually close. As you can see, this was one of those heaven sent trades. As you can see, it went straight up, not even in drawdown. So yeah, man, that was the first pair. So the second pair I had was AUD USD. As you can see here, let me go to my journaling tools. As you can see, the second trade that I took today was AUD USD, which was a long. If you use, I used pair correlation. As you can see, USD as the quote currency. Then I took it 8 April, Tuesday, which is today. Then my stop loss in pips was 12.4. Then it was a risk entry. Then it was lower risk. Then it was none again. And this was a bull flag, right? So this one, I'm not gonna put in the exit date as of now because I'm still in the trade, and the trade looked like this. I didn't record this from start, so I just record this from there. You know what I'm saying? I just screenshotted it from there. So let me just make a quick update on this one because I'm technically still in the trade. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, this is how it's looking like as of now. 15 minutes. So Falcon once mentioned, because I was waiting, let me just put this away for now. I was waiting for price to do the same thing with GBP JPY, not GBP JPY, GBP USD, to give me a wick on these lows, right? To give me a wick, then up again. But then this one decided to go, and before it went up like this, it was somewhere here, right? Then I put my buy stops around here in case price decides to go further up, because on GBPUSD the price was where I wanted to be. So using pair correlation, I was like, okay, let me just put this just in case the price goes, so that they can tap me in. I'm saying. So oh, by the way, I didn't do this out of fear. I just did this because it's part of what Falcon said this other time. He said like we should put our, well, he said our reduced risk entry. So initially my position was supposed to be here on the break, but then look at the stop loss area and look at the range to the TP. It was a 1-to-1. So I was like, nah, let me just put it here so that when price leaves, it taps me in. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, it didn't really meet our criteria, but it tapped me in, and no drawdown, still went to the upside. As you can see here, we're still in a running position. I'm still looking to go up to these areas right here, but then I put my stop loss 1% in, so my stop loss is around here. So yeah, man, that is the trades that I took for today. And yeah, man, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and tune in to the next videos. Peace.